Ladies and gentlemen, this is our first runner-up of Miss Grand India, Vanlalnuntluangi. India, it's now your time to celebrating our new
Zoram chung le pona zofa zong te in zawa in chibai ule Vanlalnuntluangi Miss Grand India Finalist kania tuna hianin Miss Grand India inti siakna kan nei meka kan thil ti na ale activities reng renga ate ati chapol le alangsar pol kan ho tu tena an fagrun pathian wangin le in support awangin kan nivezela ama ero chu votings lama hianin kan nufual riau meya kan ho tu tena mimal takpo achang tura minshil na ania thildanga ti chavyau sia vota nufual si kha katana poi theya chuwang chuanin mizo tena national crown kan nei masak ber ani theinan he votings line a hianin ichan puina karondila lisom pathuma grand finale kan nei huna stage kan ron pen chha hun thleng hianin voting si anei charchar theidona a vote charchar theidon tina ni chu chuwang chuanin khongai taka min lo vote ve cheu turin ka ron som chewa vote dan tur hi caption a kan ron jak langa min lo chhar sakin in thei top min lo chha pui ve cheu don nya lo me
Vanlalnuntluangi Finalist Miss Grand India.
You will have 45 seconds to respond to the topic. Ladies and gentlemen, and the final topic is advancing women empowerment in modern India. Once again, advancing women empowerment in modern India. And the first contestant, number 27. Okay, your final topic, advancing women empowerment in modern India. 45 seconds, go.
Thank you so much for the question. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Back to my answer. Women empowerment is a hot topic here in India. My definition for a modern Indian woman is rise through struggle. Because each and every one of us is facing some kind of struggle. I have 27 other contestants with me, and each and every one of them are rising through their struggle. And this is how a modern Indian woman should rise. Because no matter hardships, the challenges we may face, we are advancing towards the glory to the grand crown. Every Indian woman wears her own crown, be it the golden crown, or be it the crown that her family makes her wear. And this is how the modern Indian woman can rise. Through her struggle, she will rise. She will step on the pedestal because that is what she is. Thank you.
Thank you so much, number 27. And next we have number 13. Now it's your turn. All right, you.
She is passionate and dedicated in her work.
Ala all samzo kami kanin za ton veka chuan in sha thiam na nen kan ti thin ta ma se mun pui thlen tak tak hi chuan hei mei chemel tha tak tak le pianal tak tak an tam sia khati kara khan competition kha sang ta ni chu chuti kara chuan modeling po hi all sam lawa chu tyang bokin beauty pageant po all sam lawa ni chu beauty pageant da phei chuan in thak man ngai na kha atam lu tu kan ni chu hei zo na minon zo thu thu ta khami
I'm 23 years old and I recently completed my master's in social work. And as a social worker, I love working with people, and I believe that each and every individual inherent worth and dignity. And I also want to thank my people, my state, for their never-ending support and love. And I am.
Zahimi han in kan siya tamtok lamin ka siya. Kan na hiyan kan bimalpoy mo na hiyan in heta kan future thing yan ang hong tangan ni chuke mani responsibility o makha ka kan len chwa nga ka te ni chumo hemi chungchang hi chuanin
abikin me chetan phei chuanin pasal kan nei chuan kan zo der kan in mang chun zom thei to do la pasali nei ma chuanin mang rei thei don lawa in nei har deu le mang rei deu don ti khan ni me ta me chetan phei chuanin mo sama chuanin me chetan phei in man nge tur